on. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. That's right, you go. Hey, they truck right along.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
You don't need to argue with me. Okay, fine. That's it. That's it. No toys. Usually you'll get a toy after you get groomed, but this behavior, yeah, fine.
He wants to go. Oh!
Did you take Dana's sock?
Chester, go get in your chair. Go on, get in your chair.
Oh, Grandma missed you. Grandma missed you. Oh, you don't want to get off my shoulder.
Are you alright? I'm alright. Are you alright?
It's the pug's bed, not yours. You can't even fit on it. Yeah, I know your head fits on it, but not much else.
Do it. Is that our towel? Yeah.
Whoa. Did you eat a whole bag of potato chips? How does your belly feel right now?
Huh? What do you think you're doing in our bird feeder? Get down from there. Yeah.